Hey guys, Job here from History and Reviews. Today we are looking at the Blackwater submachine gun. I forget what this is called, but it's on Grand Theft Auto 5. It's also on a lot of other video games. It's also on a lot of movies. It's a compact submachine gun. When you take the clip off, it looks like a Star Wars blaster. So 2 in 1. So I like this. This was about $20. I got it Meyer, and it has these nice little vent holes. And these, fun fact, these vent holes are actually used to take out excess steam and smoke and heat from the barrel of a gun when you shoot. So when you go, you know, it doesn't overheat, so that excess smoke might come out the sides, which looks really cool in real life. This is how you shoot. It's a spring, and it's not a real gun. Again, not a real gun. This is the clip. To simply release, there's this little tag in the bottom. You push up and pull out. It's pretty easy. And it's lightweight, it's compact. Sorry, that went into the sky for a second. And yeah, I like this a lot. This is a good airsoft gun. I wouldn't recommend it if you're a pro airsoft player, because who would use this? But I mean, it's cool. Maybe spray paint the tip. And yeah, you got yourself a pretty good gun. Yeah. Pretty good gun. Hope you enjoyed this review. If you did, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. I think it really, oh shoot.